Meharĩria-inĩ ma ũkũngũĩri wa mũthenya wa Mazingira tarĩki 10 mweri wa 10, Ministry ya marĩa matũrigicĩirie na ũgarũrũku wa rĩera mwaka ũyũ mathurĩte kuoya mwerekera wa kũgirĩtania mũingĩ kũhĩtũkĩra thukuru cia mũthingi.
The celebration will involve clean up and growing of fruit trees in primary schools under the rally called Turudi Primo to donate fruit trees na clean environment.
Itanya rĩa mambura ma mwaka ũyũ ma Mazingira nĩ gũkũria mĩtĩ ĩtanyiheire milioni 70 ya matunda oro thukuru wa mũthingi ũkĩendekithio ũhande mĩtĩ 200.
All alumni are supposed to mobilize resources so that now they can grow those 2,000 seedlings, as well as donate waste bins, color-coded waste bins.
We are expecting to grow up to over 71 million fruit trees. Seedlings which will be grown across over 35,000 public and private primary schools.
We want to encourage Kenyans we plant fruit trees for this Mazingira Day. And we have a very clear target which we know is achievable with your help, especially our media. We intend to do not less than 100 million fruit trees planted by the date of 10th of October.
Thirikari ĩkũhũthĩra nini ya cibũ gũtwarithia ũhandi ũyũ wa mĩtĩ mathukuru-inĩ 9,127 marĩa mathurĩtwo kũndũ gũtiganĩte, na hamwe nao bũrũri-inĩ wothe maminista a thirikari, magavana na mũingĩ no mekũnyita itemi.
On 3rd of October, we will have the Chiefs Climate Action and Environmental Cleanup Day, where all chiefs from the 4,000 locations in Kenya, together with the assistant chiefs, join hands together with community members and all stakeholders to grow trees.
This drive, ladies and gentlemen, is expected to draw communities to accelerate the agroforestry culture, thus promoting a healthy nation, nutritional value and job creation for the youth and women. It will also support industrialization, as well as create an income base for all Kenyans.
Kũringana na rũhonge rwa mĩtitũ mĩaka-inĩ 2.5, agenda ya thirikari ya kũhanda mĩtĩ bilioni 15 gũkinya mwaka wa 2032 nĩ yareirwo wega, na nginya haha mĩtĩ bilioni 1 nĩyo ĩhandĩtwo.
We have done so well and we are at the top of the countries in the world that have planted trees to that level. We can only be compared with China, who have done almost what we have done. Other countries are following us. But also we are saying we have a long way to go, and we are putting more effort even to increase that pace so that come 2032 we will have planted 15 billion trees.
Andũ othe nĩ morĩtio kuonania wendo harĩ bũrũri na njĩra ya kwĩrutĩra kũnyita itemi mambura-inĩ maya ma gũkũngũĩra ũmenyereri wa marĩa matũrigicĩirie kũhĩtũkĩra ũhandi wa mĩtĩ. Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Wangui wa Mwangi.